Hi Bowan, welcome to the channel. I'm Charitha. Today I'm going to heading to the another car. Basically, I got the call. One of my customer, they has a car. Basically, I'm going to head into there to buy that car. I know it's not starting. Then I got my jump starter, and also that vehicle doesn't have a insurance tax, nothing. They said it sit on nearly 10 months. However, I got my trade plates. So come with me, we'll see what's going on there. Right, we came to the car. Yeah, customer said he will hide the key somewhere. First we need to find out the key. Yeah, yeah, got the key. Right. Okay. Next step, need to do the jump start first. Look like a not good battery. Lion mean basically not good battery. Definitely I need to do the new battery for this car. Right, positive to positive, negative to negative. Before start the car, I'm just going to check oil level. Is it good? Oil level good. Yeah, look like they recently done the service. Right, we'll see. Is she going to start? Light working. Right, they identify the key. Ah, bingo. Okay, I'm going to disconnect the jump starter. See, battery not good condition, it's little bit blink the light. Basically I need to do the battery sooner. Right, clunk. I know exactly what's the problem. Yeah, sit on a long time, then coil spring broken. Clunk, 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 clunk. Right, it doesn't matter. And service overdue, I had to do the service also. How about the mileage? Ah, 93,000. Wow, very low mileage. And clock need to reset. Yeah. Here the evidence. Broken coil fin. That's why I hear. Right. First of all, I'm going to do the fresh MOT. Then after that, I'll go through one by one what we have to do. Basically, I can see the visually all tires good. Anyway, straight, I'm heading to the MOT garage now. See you soon. Welcome back to the channel. Done the MOT. Then after that, I had to do a couple of repairs, done all repairs. Now we got the MOT back. And now I'm heading to the little bit clean up before trading. But however, still I didn't review the car. But one thing I noticed, you can see here, I operate the air con, but however, look like to me it's not working. I don't know what's the reason. Anyway, I had to look after that problem before I trading. However, I'm going to the washing place, do the wash first. Then after that, I'm going to take photos for the trading. Before I trading, I'm going to sort out this problem because I had to open the window. However, yeah, because I can't sell as it is. It's not good for the buyer. Because of that, I'm going to sort out this fan problem sooner after I done the washing and trading photos. I already done the body wash. I didn't clean still inside because I need to sort out this fan problem. Because of that, I didn't do the inside. Now I'm going to review the car. Yeah, nice and little handy sporty car, especially like this summer days. And if you need more sunshine here, this cold, I'm not sure the exactly what. Sometimes they call it panoramic roof. However, when I open little bit sunshine there, yeah, this one convertible also well. Then we'll see the windows. Yeah, working. Driver side. Yeah, working. Driver back. Yes, it's operating. And yeah, passenger back all working, all fine. And we'll see how it's going on. Engine bay, bonnet opener this side. Yeah, all documents in the cubby hole. And also, if someone buy this car, I'll give you free of charge phone charger, because previous customer left it there. I'm going to leave it as it is. And we'll see the radio. It's us radio code for the radio. I'll check it later. I'm going to switch off the car. This side, no any scratch mark or nothing. This side nice, and the nearly brand new tire for the front driver side. All nice and shiny, and the back tire also good condition. Another one more thing, see the here I already removed this one because the MOT adversary came with the one side working and one side not working. However, when I check this holder broken inside, then I order the new one. It might be come today. Once I come, I can install the new one. It's not a problem. And at the moment, even I didn't clean the boot, but we have a reasonable boot space for this car, and came with wheel brush and the jack. This car doesn't have a spare wheel because space saver. I'm going to close this one because otherwise I can't check the convertible roof. Because of that one, I'm going to close this one. Yeah, back also nice, no any scratch, nothing. Tiny scratch mark here. Because of the age, we can ignore that one. And also passenger rear tire nice, and you can see very fresh rear disc and pad. Recently they changed the rear disc and pads, might be last year MOT. Yeah, I think they try to open with the key this door. I saw this cap somewhere inside. Yeah, all right, here we are. Yeah, just line to the groove. Yeah, nice, easy fix. Yeah, this side also good body work. Tiny scratch here, very tiny because of the age. We can ignore that one also well. Front passenger tire also good condition, nearly new. You can use it another 2-3 years without any problem, depend on your mileage. We'll see engine bay. We already done the service and we already installed new battery. That's why we need a radio code. Coolant level good, everything okay for engine bay, nice and clean. And also I didn't see any adversary for the oil leak or something, nothing, because I feeling this car doesn't have any oil leak. Visually I can't see, I can see very dry engine bay this side also same. Yeah, I'm not worried too much. And vehicle came with, this is for the wheels and this is for the wheel cap, 2 security keys and 4 spare nuts. That's good. I'm going to leave it inside the cubby. This one, keyless entry, you don't want to key for the start in this car. If you want, you can install key to the slot like this and start the car. Otherwise, you can leave this key here somewhere in your pocket and you can start the car. One more thing, this is very interesting thing for the summer period. I'm going to operate this roof and have a look how it's going to be work. I'm going to press the button. We'll see how it's going to be work. Right, 1, 2, 3. All right, look like it's working. Yep. Right. Wow. Yeah, it's nice fun for the summer like these days. I'm going to spin around and have a small fun. Yeah, it's fun. Actually, I'm going to take photos for the trading. Switch off the car. Right, okay. Next mission, back to garage and try to sort out fan and radio. See you soon. Another task completed. Find the radio code. My colleague spent bit time to find out the radio code from online. However, now finally have a look.
Absolutely doted on him, and it was probably the worst thing in life to happen, for all of that to suddenly be taken.
Yeah.
Took a long time.
Yeah, all working. Yeah. Right. Okay, got the new unit. Yeah, I'm going to install and have a look how it's going to be work. Right, I'm going to on parking light. Is it work? Yeah, see, both working. Right, that job also done. Right, my next mission also success. This is the old motor. I'll install new motor. It's working fine. Right, now what I have to do, install everything back. Then after that I had to clean inside nice and thoroughly. Once I fix everything, I'll come back to you. We fixed the heater motor. Now you can see. Yeah, heater's working fine. And I'm going to check the air con. Yes, I'm going to thumbs up for the air con. It's work as should be. Yeah, apart of that, I'm happy with the all repairs and everything. Now tip-top car. I'm 100% satisfied. Then if someone buy this car, they are okay for the next year. All repairs done. Hopefully, once the person buy, he also happy like me because everything mint condition, low mileage, all working, roof working, all fine. Yeah, now I'm going to recalculate the budget. I bought this car £200 and oil service done £80, and both side coil spin I done because of the MOT failure. It cost me 160 and MOT £50, and one bulb holder rear number plate we change, it's £12, and we give the inside and outside nice wash, £20, and we top up petrol, another £20, and also we done the new heater motor blower and also the heater resistor, then it's cost me around 180. This all prices trader price. If you going to work with individual garage, you can't get these prices because this is the trader prices. I got it because bit cheaper than your price. However, finally I spent this car £722. I'm thinking I'm going to trading 1,850 and have a look how it's going on. Thank you. Stay with us. Please subscribe, follow us. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you have any idea, if you want to do like this job or whatever, contact me. I'll help you as much I can. See you in the next video.